like to welcome everyone to the Greater Manchester SkillCentre. So the unique thing about the SkillCentre is that we offer so much variation in terms of our trades. We offer everything from plastering all the way through to automotive. We also cover from level 1, which is our study program, all the way to level 3. We've got the tutors who have the occupational knowledge. It's nice to kind of have a really inclusive environment, and we promote that at the SkillCentre. We can offer progression, and learners have the ability to kind of hone their skills from general not understanding to actually being able to master their trades.
So my experience on the course has been brilliant. I've really enjoyed the tutors and meeting new people as well, and it's given me a lot of confidence. Everyone's amazing in here. They've even made me want to look at doing another few courses here and getting some more experience. And I never wanted to do plastering or bricking, but being here and seeing the way they teach, the structure of it, definitely might go on and take on another course as well, so get yourself here, definitely.
It's where we learn more the technical side of the job, whereas when we're on site actually doing work, we learn the more practical sides. You're always having a laugh, you're always having a joke, but then you're still learning as well.
I really enjoy studying at a group company because I feel like it's just a really nice, relaxed environment.
The support's there, so if you are struggling, there's a lot of people you can go to, and the support's there whenever you need it.
So here at the Growth Company we have a vehicle paint department. We're really proud of how our learners progress in these environments, learning the skills and techniques that they need that are relevant to their job roles out in the network, and develop our talented ladies and gentlemen for the future. What I really love about my role is that I get to see young individuals come in and not only progress their skills and techniques in their industry, but they also grow as individuals.
The thing I enjoy most about my job role is getting the lads and the ladies through into an actual apprenticeship and seeing them flourish in their careers. I enjoy seeing that progress that they make. The support we offer the learners at the Growth Company have no experience whatsoever. We'll make sure that you understand technical drawings, the type of tools that we use, the machines that we use, the health and safety surrounding that, the job options that you can go into. I would recommend the SkillCentre, mainly because I did my apprenticeship here about 12 years ago now. I've come back full circle and go back into teaching it. But other than that, all the staff here are dead helpful, dead nice, dead friendly.
We're really pleased that the SkillCentre is where it is. Being so close to Trafford Park, we're close to potential employers. Our learners can go literally within 5 minutes and they're at the Trafford Centre. With our connections to the tram station, which is literally around the corner, they can be in Manchester City Centre within 20 minutes. Over the last 12 months, we've taken an approach to listen to our learners, and we've done a lot of development at the SkillCentre. We hope that learners and anybody visiting the centre realizes that we are there for them, and the centre, we want to make it as good as we can have it, and we welcome anybody to come in.